How to activate Ggives in Gcash. So I'm going to show you how you can activate Ggives in your Gcash app. First, open your Gcash app and ensure that you have the latest version installed. On the home screen, you can see the View All Services and tap on that. Then look for the Borrow section and click that. And you should see this exact same page and you can see the Ggives option. You may want to tap on that, but remember that this will not work for all Gcash users. If you see this message pop up on your screen, then that only means that you are not yet qualified to avail of the current Ggives offers. So that is because there are only qualified users that can actually use this feature. But once you're qualified, Gcash will send you a message that you can already use the service. So, if you want to be eligible and avail this feature, just skip on using Gcash for your online payment transactions. But if you're already eligible and you want to avail of their Ggives offer, just click on this Get Started button. Then it will show you this information and lets you confirm if the information provided is correct. If all the details are correct, just hit on the next button and you will see this form and just fill out necessary information like your name, mobile number, and your emergency contact person. And once you're done, click on that and it will let you review the information you provided. Make sure to double check for accuracy. And you will also be asked to review their terms and conditions and data privacy agreement. If you agree with those, just tick those boxes and click this Activate My Ggives button. It will then ask for a verification and just enter the code sent to your mobile number and submit. And this confirmation will pop up saying that your Ggives is already activated and you can now use it to pay installments on your next purchase. So using this feature can be really helpful with settling your future payments.